Good evening. My name is Kristen Samuelson, and I am the founder and executive director of Three Little Birds, a pregnancy and infant loss outreach nonprofit project that serves the Philadelphia and South Jersey metro region. On behalf of myself and my co-founders, Brent Samuelson and Desiree Miller, we would like to welcome you tonight to our third annual, but first ever, Wave of Light virtual ceremony. Last year, we were so fortunate to be able to gather more than 200 people together. That included parents, siblings, grandparents, other family members and friends, other local nonprofits, other perinatal bereavement advocates, and medical professionals together with the sole purpose of taking a moment at 7 p.m. on Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Day to honor our children together. We want to thank you for being here. We want to thank you for sharing your babies with us and the rest of the world. And we want you to know that your children will never be forgotten. The goal of tonight's event is to hold the wave of light, but also to educate our local community with this video on some of the services that we offer and some of the ways that lost families, especially as we enter in to the holiday season during this unprecedented year, ways that we can honor our heart and include our children in our futures. In 1988, President Ronald Reagan proclaimed October, and October 15th in particular, as Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Day. I am paraphrasing, but what he said was, when a child loses his parent, they're referred to as an orphan. And when a spouse loses their partner, they're referred to as a widow or a widower. But when a parent loses a child, we do not have a word to describe them. So in proclaiming Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Day, President Reagan gave validation to the 1 in every 4 families, which equates to millions of people who have suffered the loss of a pregnancy or a child due to miscarriage, ectopic pregnancy, molar pregnancy, stillbirth, birth defects, sudden infant death, and other causes. This validation to lost families in the country then spurred other movements, which include the Wave of Light. It was developed by lost families as a way for us all to honor each other and our unique, special losses and journeys to parenthood. What happens is at 7 p.m. in each time zone across the world, candles are lit in memory of particular babies or all babies. And for an hour, the candle is left to burn. And as the day moves on, at 7 p.m., the next time zone lights, and it creates this beautiful wave of light, theoretically across and metaphorically across the globe. So tonight, we invite you to grab a candle and light it with the loving thoughts of your baby, and join us in an hour of remembrance.
Hi, my name's Desiree Miller and I'm one of the co-founders of Three Little Birds. I just want to say thank you so much for joining us tonight and honoring your beautiful babies. If you're new to Three Little Birds and you're interested in creating a legacy project with us or finding out even what a legacy project is, please stay tuned to the video after this video, which you can find on our YouTube channel, from Mom Ali Ferreira. Ali has created many different videos showing you how to create legacy projects for your baby if that's something that interests you. Perhaps how to decorate your space to honor your baby or give your baby their own space in your home. We also plan to post more videos from people like you. If you have an idea for a video, please reach out to Three Little Birds. You can reach out via our website and just let us know what you were thinking. We would love to get you set up to make a YouTube video of your own. Thank you for sharing your beautiful babies with us tonight. Don't forget to light your candle and leave it burning for 1 hour to create the continuous wave of light across the entire world. Also, feel free to post below your comments, pictures, perhaps your baby's name, anything that you feel is important. You can post it on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook page under the link where this is posted. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing everyone in person in 2021.